Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
How to manage your car. Like the 1% to avoid most common vehicle problem by Carhelpout, local certified mobile mechanic auto car repair service near me. What if I told you the difference between a car that dies at 80,000 miles and one that sails past 200,000 miles has almost nothing to do with luck? It's not about buying the most expensive model, or having a magic touch. It's about a playbook, a set of simple, consistent routines that the top 1% of car owners use. These aren't complex mechanical jobs. They're small habits that take just minutes a week, yet they add decades to your car's life. Today I'm giving you that exact playbook. Forget everything you think you know about expensive maintenance. We are going to focus on the small things that make the biggest difference. I'm here to show you that you already have the power to make your car last longer than you ever imagined. You don't need a fancy garage or a wall full of tools. You just need a little bit of knowledge and a commitment to consistency. The secrets used by collectors to keep their priceless vehicles in perfect condition can be applied to your daily driver. We're going to demystify car care. We will break it down into easy, manageable steps. By the end of this, you will look at your car not as a depreciating asset, but as a long-term partner you can rely on for years and years to come. Think about the most reliable car you've ever seen. Maybe it was a neighbor's old pickup truck that just never quit, or a family member's sedan that seemed to run forever with no major issues. I guarantee that car wasn't just lucky, it was cared for with intention. The owner likely followed a simple routine without even realizing they were doing something special. They checked the fluids, they kept the tires properly inflated, they listened for strange noises. These tiny actions are the foundation of vehicle longevity. They prevent small issues from spiraling into catastrophic, wallet-draining failures. This is the core principle we will build on today. This isn't about becoming a master mechanic overnight. This is about becoming a smart, proactive owner. It's about building a relationship with your vehicle where you understand its needs and can spot trouble long before it becomes serious. The methods I'm about to share are proven and tested and used by people who depend on their vehicles day in and day out. They are designed to save you money, prevent stress, and give you the confidence that comes with knowing your car is in top shape. You can do this, and it all starts with the simple decision to take control. So, let's begin the journey to 200,000 miles and beyond. My promise to you is simple. By following the plan we outlined today, you will gain the skills to keep your car running reliably for the long haul. This isn't a list of expensive services to ask your mechanic for. This is a hands-on guide for you, the owner. We will structure this journey into 4 key areas. First, weekly checks you can do in your driveway, quicker than brewing coffee. These quick health checkups form the bedrock of car care. They are your first line of defense against unexpected problems. Next, essential monthly tasks. Monthly checks protect your car's most vital systems. Engine brakes. Think of these as deeper checkups for the heart and soul of your vehicle. After that, seasonal care. Summer heat challenges. Winter cold challenges. Prepare your vehicle for whatever the weather throws at it. Protecting your battery in freezing temperatures. Servicing your AC before a heat wave. Ensuring comfort and reliability year-round. Finally, long-term habits. This part is about how you drive and how you manage repairs. Your driving style has a massive impact on wear and tear. Simple tips to reduce stress on engine and transmission. We will also cover keeping a simple maintenance log. It's your car's personal history book, one of the most powerful tools. This log helps you track what's been done and anticipate what needs to be done next. I remember Mr. Harrison and his beige sedan for over 30 years. It wasn't a special car, but he treated it with respect. Every Saturday morning, he'd be outside with a rag and a checklist. He'd check his oil, he'd top off his washer fluid, he'd check his tire pressures. His kids used to joke about it, but that car never left him stranded. It took his children to college, and later, his grandchildren to soccer practice. His secret was a simple, unbreakable routine. That is the power I want to give you today. The power of a simple plan, executed with care. Your journey to 200,000 miles begins with a habit that takes less than 2 minutes each day. Before you even get in your car, perform a quick walk around. Start at the front of your vehicle. Walk a slow circle around it. Are there any new drips or puddles on the ground underneath? A small spot of clear water is likely just condensation from your air conditioning. Dark brown fluid could be oil. Black fluid could be oil. Green fluid might be coolant. Pink fluid might be coolant. Orange fluid might be coolant. Noticing these early is the key to preventing a small leak from becoming a major engine or transmission problem. As you continue your walk, glance at your tires. Do any of them look softer or lower than the others? You don't need to be an expert to spot a tire that is obviously losing air. A quick visual check can alert you to a slow leak or a puncture before it becomes a dangerous blowout on the highway. Look at the body of the car. Is there any new damage, like a scrape or dent from a parking lot incident you might not have noticed? Catching this early can make insurance claims or repairs simpler. This daily ritual trains your eyes to notice what's normal for your car, making anything abnormal stand out immediately. Listen as you approach and start your vehicle. Do you hear any new or unusual noises? A high-pitched squeal? A deep grinding sound? Or a repetitive clicking are all signs that something needs your attention. Cars communicate with us through sounds, and learning to listen is a critical skill. When you start the engine, pay attention to the dashboard. All the warning lights should illuminate for a moment and then turn off. Check engine, ABS, airbag. If a light like the check engine, ABS, or airbag light stays on, it's a clear signal from your car's computer that it has detected a problem. Ignoring these lights is like ignoring a fire alarm. The problem will only get worse. Finally, this daily walk-around is your first line of defense against minor but frustrating issues. Is a piece of trim loose? Is a light cover cracked? Are your license plates secure? These small details contribute to the overall health and safety of your vehicle. It's a simple mindfulness practice that connects you to your car. It transforms you from a passive driver into an engaged, proactive owner. This 2-minute habit costs you nothing, but the major repairs it can help you avoid are priceless. It's the first and easiest step in the 1% playbook, and it sets the tone for a long and healthy vehicle life. Once a week, dedicate 5 minutes to one of the most critical safety and maintenance tasks, checking your tire pressure. Properly inflated tires are essential for safety. Properly inflated tires are essential for fuel efficiency. Properly inflated tires are essential for longevity. Underinflated tires overheat. Underinflated tires wear out unevenly. Underinflated tires can lead to a dangerous blowout. Overinflated tires reduce traction. Overinflated tires cause a harsh ride. Overinflation leads to premature wear in the center of the tread. To do this right, you need a reliable tire pressure gauge, a simple digital gauge, or a pencil-style gauge. It's an inexpensive and essential tool for any car owner. Always check the pressure when the tires are cold. That means parked for at least 3 hours or driven less than a mile. If you're struggling to come up with cash for an emergency auto repair, you're not alone. That's why auto car repair loans offer a convenient way to gain quick access to the money you need when an emergency pops up. With loans up to $2,500 to $5,000. Visit carhelpout.com/repair loan to get started today. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/carhelpout and get a relief under house burden. Don't forget, if your local small business or good service website needs more traffic exposure from Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines, go to carhelpout.com/SEO. They can help you when it comes to local SEO and online digital marketing service consulting. To find the correct pressure, don't look on the tire itself. That number is the maximum pressure, not your vehicle's recommended PSI. Instead, look for a sticker inside the driver's side door jamb. This sticker lists the manufacturer's recommended PSI for the front tires and the rear tires. This is the number you should always aim for. Once you have your target PSI, unscrew the valve stem cap on one tire. Press the gauge firmly onto the valve stem and get your reading. If the pressure is low, add air. If it's high, use the small nub on the back of the gauge. Press the pin inside the valve stem and release air in short bursts. While you're checking the pressure, inspect the tire itself. Look for any signs of uneven wear. If the inside edges of the tread are wearing faster than the middle, it could be a sign you need an alignment. If the outside edges are wearing faster than the middle, that can also mean an alignment is needed. If the center is wearing faster, it's often chronic overinflation. Also, inspect the tread for any nails, screws, or other embedded objects. Run your hand carefully over the surface to feel for abnormalities. Check the sidewalls for any cuts. Check the sidewalls for any bulges. Check the sidewalls for any cracks. A bulge is a sign of internal damage and means the tire must be replaced immediately. This simple weekly habit does more than save you money on fuel and new tires. It's a critical safety check. Your tires are the only part of your car that actually touches the road. Their ability to grip, steer, and stop is directly tied to their condition and pressure. A 5-minute check each week ensures your car is as safe as it can be. If you ever feel uncertain and need to ask for help, go to a tire shop. I checked my pressure, and it seems my front right tire is losing about 5 psi per week. Can you please inspect it for a slow leak? This clear, informed request will earn you respect and ensure you get the right service. Section 2. Your journey starts now. So where do you begin? It can feel like a lot of information, but you don't have to do everything all at once. My challenge to you is this. Start small. Pick just one weekly habit. Pick one monthly habit. Commit to them for the next month. Start with the weekly tire pressure check. It takes 5 minutes. It's one of the most impactful things you can do. For your monthly task, choose to check your engine oil. Pull the dipstick. Tells you so much about engine health. These 2 small habits are your entry point. Take out your phone now. Open your calendar. Schedule your first weekly check for this weekend. Name it Car Health Check. Set a reminder. Then schedule your first monthly check 4 weeks out. By putting it on your calendar, you're committing to your vehicle. Grab a small notebook. Grab a pen. Place them in your glove compartment. That is your official maintenance log. Next time you put air in your tires, next time you get an oil change, write it down. Date, mileage, action. Your journey as a 1% owner has begun. It is that easy. Owning your car's care is about smart choices, not spending a lot. Invest minutes to save thousands. Build the confidence of knowing your vehicle inside and out. You have the playbook. You have the knowledge. You have the ability. The difference is a simple, consistent routine. Be the owner your friends and family marvel at. Be the owner with the car that just keeps going and looking great. Thank you for joining me. You've taken the first step by learning. Now put it into action. Start your logbook. Schedule that first check. Take control of your car's destiny. You've got this. Drive safe. Drive smart. I'll see you on the road to 200,000 miles and far, far beyond. This is about empowering yourself with lifelong skills. Your car will thank you for it. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.